Hi guys, today we're going to unbox, set up, and review the Google Chromecast with Google TV.
The most awesome force in the universe, the most powerful device ever created, is now in the hands of one man.
Cool.
This is Danz Garage, and I'm the jack of all trades.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
My TV is a big ass 55-inch 4K Smart TV, which I bought just a year ago. I can do almost anything on it, like watching movies and stuffs from Netflix and other streaming platforms. But something is lacking. It doesn't have the ability to download apps from its default installed browser and also from the Google Play Store. I always have to use the remote, typing to find something up on Netflix and YouTube. It's a bummer, right? Ang hirap at ang bagay. It will take you forever just to find your desired content. So now, here comes the Google Chromecast with Google TV. I can't wait anymore. Let's open this up and take a look at this amazing gadget from Google. So now, eto na siya. Let's open this up. Okay, bubble wrap. I have my receipt. Okay. Whoa. So I purchased also a USB drive. Okay, this box is so little. So now let's take a look at the box. Sabi dito, Google Chromecast with Google TV. Yan. So ang available sa kanyang mga apps is YouTube, YouTube TV, Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV, Spotify, Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN, HBO Max, Sling, Paramount Plus, Stars. So down there makikita natin 4K ready siya. And at the side, ito yung pinakamaganda sa kanya, meron siyang Android Assistant. So may Google Assistant nito. So pwede tayong mag voice commands. The other side, so pwede daw tayong mag-download ng iba-iba pang mga apps. And then ready siya for HD, 4K, and HDR gamit ang ating HDMI. So meron din siyang Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability that works with Android and iOS. There you have it. Now let's open this box. Okay, very nice. Ang ganda ng kanyang lalagyan kahit maliit lang. So first na makikita natin ay yung kanyang main unit. Ito na siya. So yung color na kinuha natin, yung snow. So napakasimple lang niya, napakaliit lang, oval looking. Tapos meron lang siyang HDMI port. Tapos sa likod niya is merong reset button. Tapos dito is yung port para sa power na USB Type-C. Next, ang kanyang napakaliit din na remote. Ang cute. Sigurado madaling mawala to. Pagka nasingit to sa loob ng sofa, mahirap nang hanapin. So ito yung navigation button niya, up, down, left and right. Tapos select button sa gitna. This is the back button, the Google Assistant button, the home button, mute button, and then meron tayong dedicated keys para sa YouTube at sa Netflix. Ito naman yung kanyang power button at yung kanyang source button. So pwede nating i-control yung TV natin using this. Pwede na tayo mag-select ng source. So ito ang kanyang setup guide. Gagawin natin to sa loob mamaya when we're going to hook it up to my TV. And then meron din siyang kasamang, this is the USB Type-C cable para sa kanyang power na may kasamang power brick. And lastly, meron siyang free na batteries para sa ating remote. So now everything is here. Let's set it up. So guys, this is my 55-inch 4K TV. I'm using this for watching movies in Netflix and watching my contents on YouTube. At dito na rin ako nanonood ng balita using YouTube and watching all the contents that I want. My kid is also using this for his online learning. So nakakabit din yung isang computer dito. Pwede rin naman mag-screencast from my phone to this TV. I can do all of that in here, but That's all about it. I cannot browse here because the browser sucks. And I cannot download any app in it because it doesn't have Google Play Store. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung user interface nito para ma-compare natin sa Google Chrome. So guys, ito ang kanyang home button. So kung makikita nyo, wala naman masyado nakalagay. Puro mga garbage na apps lang ito. Tingnan natin ang kanyang browser. Yan, wala rin kwenta. So pagka punta tayo ng Google, hindi rin naman tayo makapag-sign in. And di rin naman natin magamit ng iba. Facebook, okay, pero bali wala rin. Nagagamit ko lang talaga dito is sa Netflix. So yung ganyan yung UI niya. And also sa YouTube.
What do the Abomination and the giant
And
wolf of
that's about
Fenris have in common? No, it's not the fact that they both...
Now, let's hook this up. Tignan natin ang difference dun sa normal na UI nito and pagka meron ng Google Chromecast. So now, let's set this up. Dito tayo sa likod ng TV. Medyo malaki kasi yung TV natin kaya we have to move it forward para lang makapasok sa likod. And as you can see, marami ng wires dito. So first natin lalagay is ang ating Google Chromecast. Lagay natin siya sa HDMI 1 ng ating TV. So medyo masikip. Okay, be sure na hindi ma-disturb yung ibang cables natin para walang ibang complications. Okay, next. So lalagyan natin siya ng cable, yung kanyang USB Type-C para sa power. Tapos lagyan natin siya sa kanyang USB port. And next, power brick para sa kanyang power. So, ganun lang kadali ang kanyang installation. Let's move forward sa harapan. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin natin. So now, nakita nyo, nagbo-boot up na siya. Let's continue setting this up. So guys, there are two ways to set this thing up. Pwedeng pa-remote pero mas matagal yon. Mas maganda kung ang gagamitin natin ay ang ating mobile phone. So now, we can continue setting this up in our phone. Tapos, sundin lang natin lahat ng steps doon. So guys, kailangan pa natin ng Google Home app sa ating cellphone para ma-scan natin ang QR code na yan. So nakapag-download na ako ng Google Home. So i-scan lang natin yan using our Google Home app. So guys, pag dito, pipiliin lang natin ang ating account. Recognize niya na kaagad yan. And then click OK. Play Get Started. Pili tayo ng home nickname. Gaya natin is next. So Philippines, address 9. So hindi ko na ipapakita itong mga lagi nito pero meron akong setup dyan. So natin sa compass. Next, location access. Next, while using app, yes. So ayan, nag-look na siya ng devices. Kailangan ma-detect niya ang ating Google Chromecast. So yan, nakita niya na yung Google Chromecast. So set up different device. Yes. Camera permission. While using app. I-scan na natin ngayon ang kanyang QR code. Lalapit tayo doon. So hindi pa tayo malapit, nasagap niya na kagad yung connection, connecting to Chromecast, and they are connected. So more, where's this device? Connect to Wi-Fi, so nakalagay na siya agad siya sa 3.2. Okay, password, sign me to Google account. Okay, so okay, we're signed in. So Google Assistant na tayo. So dito hanapin niya lahat ng apps na connected sa ating Google account. Allow. Okay, set up a voice device, match device at Tribu. So, nandyan naman lahat ng subscription ko sa YouTube. Mamaya ilalagay natin yan kasi device mo siya. So, we'll just select. In the meanwhile, nag-reset na ang ating Google Chromecast. So, pwede na magamit ko. So, natapos na rin tayo sa setup sa ating Google Home sa ating phone. Nantiyan lang natin matapos mag-initialize ang setup sa ating Chromecast sa TV. So, ito na yung start experiencing. So, ayan yung kanyang UI. So, tayo. So, may YouTube na dito. Using music. Prime Video, Apple TV. So, ito na yung mga nakalagay na installed apps. Netflix na rin. Kaya natin mag-Netflix. So, dahil connected ang aking email at Netflix account, diretso na kagad sa Netflix.
Channel, you may choose your...
Can do something. And it's playing. Now let's go back. YouTube. sound also. Siya. This is one of my videos. Hi guys, today we are here at Sumas Place Antipolo. We are going to test this Prelude. Okay, YouTube is working. Now, try naman natin ang Google Assistant. Google, play Bright on Netflix. So yung kagad yan, ganun lang kadali, wala nang pindot-pindot, wala nang type-type. So mag-type naman tayo ng ibang command. Google, what will be the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Antipolo, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 86 and a low of 74.
That's nice. So pag pinindot natin yung kanyang mga dedicated keys, madali siyang lumipat. Punta naman tayo sa Open Google Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
So ayan, dito pwede na tayo mag-download ng gusto nating app. So download Discovery Plus app.
Results for download Discovery Plus app on the Google Play Store.
So now we can install it. So na guys, meron na rin tayong Discovery Plus. So ganun lang kadali mag-download ng mga apps. Pwedeng games, pwedeng apps. So guys, as you can see, napakadaling i-navigate ng kanyang UI. At saka, nandun lahat ng kailangan mo. I-voice command mo lang, gamitin mo yung kanyang Google Assistant. Pwede mo nang gawin kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng games. So parang Slither ayaw lang itong game na to. Dead. Let's go back. Play some music.
Playing some music on YouTube.
So yan guys, nakita na natin ang kanyang mga strengths and capabilities. At nakita naman natin na super smooth ang kanyang user interface. So now guys, I have shown you how to install and set up the Google Chromecast with Google TV. It's very nice and functional at lalo na ang ganda ng kanyang user interface. Now, will I recommend this device for you guys? Yes, lalo na kung hindi pa po smart or Android ang inyong TV. A normal TV with an HDMI port is all you need to use this device. You can also use your computer's monitor with an HDMI input. Just plug and play, and now you can enjoy all the capabilities that matches all the characteristics of the newest Android TVs in the market. Price-wise, this is available at Lazada for only 3,180 pesos. So join me next time on my next videos regarding the Google Chromecast with Google TV. Next time, I'm going to show you tips and tricks that you can apply to unlock the full potential of this device. Gusto nyo bang parang maging computer ang inyong TV? To be able to browse the net and make video calls with it? We are going to feature it next time here at Danz Garage. So, this is the end of our video. This has been Serdan from Danz Garage, and as always, ciao! If you like this video, hit that like button. If you learned something and you want to know more, mag-subscribe. And if you want to be updated to our latest videos and updates, click that bell button.